Do you need help from Zoom itself? Here's how to get live support chat straight from your PC. Open your web browser and go to support.zoom.us. Click the blue chat icon in the lower right corner. A virtual assistant will appear. Type your issue like can't log in or need billing help and it'll try to solve it. Are you still stuck? If you are a paid user, just talk to an agent or live chat to connect with human support. Make sure you're logged in into your Zoom account and your plan allows live chat support. Pro tip: for tech questions, include your meeting ID, device, and issue. It speeds things up. Real help from real humans. Zoom chat support is just a few clicks away. Like this video if it saved your meeting. Subscribe for more videos just like this and comment how did you ask for help. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.